Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn about what is statistics. Statistics is nothing but collection of data, organizing the data, analyzing the data and interpretation of data. Now let's understand with an example. We want to know the impact of gender on the smartphone sales. In order to analyze whether the gender has influence on the smartphone sales. For that we should conduct a survey among the group of the people. For that we will prepare a questionnaire and we will communicate with the group of people and collect the information. The collected information will not be in the organized form, so that type of data is called as raw data. Now we will represent the raw data in organized way by using tables so that the data will be in the understanding way. Now the organized data will be analyzed. In the end we will interpret the data by using organized data and analyzed data. With the example I think you guys have an idea how it works. First, we will collect the data which will be in the raw form, then we will organize the data, then we will analyze the data, from that we will interpret the data. Statistics not only deals with numerical data but also deals with non-numerical data, that is categorical data. Numeric data comprises of numbers on which calculations can be performed, for example, age, bank balance, examination score, etc. Non-numeric data is measured in word form. It makes use of symbols and letters. Such data can only be identified in a word format. For example, employee address, date of birth, name, gender, etc.